Big news in the photography world. Nikon has just announced the Nikon Z80, the highly anticipated successor to the flagship Z8. Packed with a new high-resolution sensor, faster autofocus, advanced 8K video capabilities, and rugged weather-sealed design, this camera is built for professionals, enthusiasts, and hybrid shooters who demand the best in both stills and video. And this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about the Nikon Z80. From its upgraded sensor and improved low-light performance to lightning-fast continuous shooting, versatile lens support, and cutting-edge video features. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, a travel content creator, or a filmmaker looking for a hybrid powerhouse, welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Z80 promises to deliver performance, flexibility, and reliability like never before. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll see why the Nikon Z80 could be the ultimate Z8 replacement and a game-changer for modern creators. The photography world is buzzing with excitement as Nikon officially announces the Nikon Z80, widely anticipated to serve as the successor and replacement for the highly acclaimed Nikon Z8. Known for its flagship performance and professional-grade features, the Z8 has long held a special place among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, with the Z80, Nikon aims to build on that legacy while introducing several key upgrades designed to meet the evolving demands of modern photographers and videographers. From improved image processing and enhanced autofocus to a more refined design and expanded video capabilities, the Z80 represents a significant step forward in Nikon's mirrorless Z series. One of the most significant highlights of the Nikon Z80 is its new sensor technology, which promises to deliver higher resolution, improved dynamic range, and enhanced low-light performance. The camera features an upgraded stacked CMOS sensor that ensures faster readout speeds, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with incredible precision and minimal rolling shutter effects. This makes the Z80 an ideal tool for wildlife photographers, sport shooters, and anyone who requires top-tier performance in challenging shooting conditions. The sensor's design also supports advanced image processing, allowing for cleaner RAW files and greater flexibility in post-production. In addition to the sensor, the Nikon Z80 brings significant improvements in autofocus performance. Building upon Nikon's renowned autofocus system, the Z80 offers faster subject detection, improved tracking algorithms, and better performance in low-light scenarios. Eye detection and animal detection autofocus are now more accurate and responsive, ensuring that both human and animal subjects remain sharp even in fast-paced or unpredictable environments. This upgrade is particularly important for professional photographers and content creators who rely on precise autofocus for capturing critical moments without missing a shot. The Z80 also introduces enhanced continuous shooting capabilities, allowing photographers to capture high-speed action at up to 20 frames per second with full autofocus and exposure tracking. This is a significant improvement over previous models and ensures that photographers can confidently shoot fast-moving subjects without sacrificing image quality. Combined with a large buffer and high-speed memory card compatibility, the Z80 is well-suited for sports, wildlife, and event photography where every millisecond counts. For videographers, the Nikon Z80 brings expanded video capabilities, positioning it as a hybrid camera for both photography and professional video work. The camera supports 8K video recording at high frame rates,